Hey there, welcome back to my garage, Rusty Tool Aficionados. In this episode, we have a garden tool that my son asked me to take a look at for him. He is an avid gardener, so I thought this might make a good video to see if we could fix this thing up a little bit for him. A little research indicates that this could be either a Warren Hoe or a Cape Cod Weeder. Judging from the pictures of both, I'm going to go with a Warren Hoe. The edges of the Cape Cod Weeder are a little more curved, whereas these are straighter. So I think this matches the description of a Warren Hoe better. So that's what I'm going with. The metal parts are real rusty and dirty, and the handle is completely dried out. There's a deep dimple on the ferrule that has dug way into the wood, so it makes it extremely difficult to get off. I'm afraid I'm going to have to go medieval on it. I got the ferrule off, but it took a couple of pieces of wood with it, so I'll have to glue those back. I intend to use the same handle. So I'm starting a preliminary cleanup with the wire wheel. Time for a vinegar bath. I'm going to leave it in the vinegar for about 3 days. Meanwhile, I'm going to go to work on the handle. I'm going to try to repair the end of the handle that I damaged when I was taking off the ferrule. I'm just going to use a wood glue on this repair because it doesn't have to be real strong. The strength is going to come when I epoxy the ferrule and the hoe part back into the handle. It just needs to be strong enough to hold together until I can get to the epoxy stage. I'm making a plug here to plug the hole that was made by the dimple in the ferrule and the screw. Okay, time to smooth the handle out. Try to get it ready for some linseed oil. It's very dry, and there are a couple of places on the handle that have some wood layers that are almost detached. So I'm going to soak the handle good with linseed oil and give it several coats of polyacrylic to try to restore some integrity to the handle. I don't have a linseed oil dip tank like Tool Scouter, so I'll just have to apply the linseed oil the old-fashioned way. He does a great job on all kinds of tool handles and tool restorations. I think another session with the wire brush is in order after the vinegar bath. Now for a session with the flat disc. I'm going to use the fiber wheel to try to prepare the ferrule and the blade for bluing. These pieces have some dings and pits in them. I'm not going to be able to get them all out. I'm not even going to try. This tool is going to be used for digging, not looking at, but I want to put a coat of bluing on it for rust protection.
I meant to do that.
I'm cleaning the metal parts with acetone here in preparation for some bluing. I'm going to try some of this G96 gun blue that 357 Magdad recommended. We'll see how it does. I am very impressed. It blues dark and instantly. The instructions say after bluing you should give it a water bath and then dry it. I'm not going to immerse it. I'm just going to use a spray bottle and wipe it off. I'm really happy with the way this bluing job came out. I just dried the water off and buffed it a little bit with a cloth, and that was it. It's not perfect, but that's due to the dings and dents and the surface prep. So overall, I'm very impressed with this product. I'm going to rough up the end of the handle in order to give the epoxy a better grip. I epoxied in the blade off camera. So there you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the restoration of this Warren Hoe gardening tool. It was a fun project, and I think it'll be a useful tool. I'd sure appreciate it if you'd like, comment, and subscribe. I read and respond to all comments. So thanks for watching the video. See you next time.